Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku. This is level 66 and let's start. Alright, now we have 2 cats. We lost a fish.
Nice!
Let's try the pink one. Alright. Now let's try the blue one. Maybe there or here. Okay, we only have 1 fish now and 4 cats. There's the yellow one.
Nice!
Alright, another one.
Great!
Next one.
Perfect!
Alright,
Excellent!
here's the green one.
Amazing!
Pink one. Orange one.
Unbelievable!
And the last one.